I'm Adam Webster, and this is Rocky Mountain Restoration.
Thank you for calling Rocky Mountain Restoration. This is Lisa. How can I help you? The culture at Rocky Mountain means productivity and job security to me. We guide ourselves off of specific core values to ensure that we have everyone in the right seat to help production flow easily and know that I can depend on my team. We'll give you a courtesy call within the next 20 to 30 minutes with our ETA.
Every day is different. So one day you may be helping someone with a water loss. Another day you may be helping someone with a fire loss. The thing about us is that we work as a team. We just strive to help our customers in any way we can as quickly as possible.
So here at Rocky Mountain, we've found that people that are serious about their goals and ambitions have been able to advance rather quickly through our company. We really want to empower our people to be able to, think on the fly, make difficult decisions. Training is one of the biggest things we focus on. Here at Rocky Mountain, we want to empower our people to be able to make difficult decisions. We find that we run up against many things that are different day to day, and so oftentimes we're reacting to what it is we find out at a particular loss. So that being the case, we want to enable our people to make those tough decisions, and we really do that by providing that foundational training on the front end. So our folks can walk into a situation and know that they're making the best decision for both the homeowner and their property.
If you're coachable, trainable, you really care about what you do and who you're helping out, you take ownership of the work you do and really are committed to producing outcomes and getting the job done, and you're positive, fun, and like to have a good time while you're doing it, then Rocky Mountain Restoration is the place for you.